Okay, in the previous session, we created our first script. Today, let's talk about Plugins Manager. This is Daniel. When you open a script that's created from other guys, have you ever got this kind of error, cannot resolve class exception? That means you need to install this JMeter plugin from the plugin manager. But how about this? So how can you solve so many these errors? A bunch of errors require you install all these plugins. Should we install them manually one by one? No. Let me show you the easiest and fastest way to install JMeter plugins. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we need to install the Plugins Manager. So we have 3 steps. Let's download the Plugins Manager file and put it into the live.est directory and open it from the Options menu. Let's do it. This is the site where we can download the Plugins Manager. I've already downloaded here. And let's put the Plugins Manager into the live.est file. Okay, then step 3, we just open it. From the Options menu, we can open the Plugins Manager, or we just click this button. Okay, we get it. So if we get this kind of error, like we miss debug sampler, so we can install the plugins manually. How we can do this? We have 3 steps. Just put the keyword in the plugins manager, then we can check the checkbox, then apply the change and restart the JMeter. Okay, like we want to install let's go to the available plugins, and we want to install the dummy sampler. Just check the checkbox and apply the changes. Okay, you can see we have a dummy sampler plugin installed. And this is some recommended plugins I used in the sessions. I fully recommend you to install all these plugins. And next I show you how to install plugins automatically. Okay, we have 3 steps to install the Plugins Manager CMD. This is a command line to install the Plugins Manager automatically. So step 1, install the CMD runner. So we can go to this website to download the CMD runner and put it into the JMeter live directory. Okay, this is the website, and I've already downloaded the CMD runner. Okay, we just copy it and put it to the live directory. Okay, that's it. And step 2, we need to install the Plugins Manager CMD, and the extension SH for Linux and Mac OS, and the BAT for Windows. So we can use this command line to install the Plugins Manager CMD. Let's just do it. So first thing, we need to go to the JMeter folder and then run the java space -cp. So as you can see, we get this Plugins Manager CMD.bat file, and also the Plugins Manager CMD.sh file. Okay, step 3, automatically install plugins. So we can use the command line Plugins Manager CMD and install for JMX, and put your script here, then you can install the plugins automatically. Manager install for JMX. Then we can drag our script file here. Okay, we got this command and run it. Okay, it says unable to access the file CMD runner. Let me check. Live CMD runner. Okay, we got a different version. We downloaded 2.0, but it requires 2.3. So we can go to this page. Maybe we can change to 3. Okay, then we can download this file. Okay, we can copy this one and put it here. Okay, we got this latest version. Let me run it again. Okay, all the plugins that's listed in the script will be installed. Then we can open our JMeter. Then we can drag our script file. This one. Okay, it prompts still needs some basic plugins, so you can just install it. Cannot resolve the clear GUI. Okay, it's opened. So we have these plugins installed here. Okay, that's it. How to install the plugins automatically. So you can use the command line to install plugins that's listed in the script automatically. And yeah, just show you an interesting. This is the wiki page about how to install the plugins automatically. So when you open it, this one, I go to this page, it gets 404 errors. So finally I found so I just changed the P to the capital P. Then it works. Okay, interesting. Okay, next session, let's talk about the functional and variables. If you enjoyed this video and find it helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and you have notifications turned on so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.